everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Riniverse, aka Rin and Rini, and today we're having another blind box adventure unboxing from Pop Mart again. And today it is a magical day because I pre-ordered this and it came in the mail and it's been sitting in my room for who God knows how long until today's video unboxing, which is Journey to New Life, because we are now into the new year, which means new year, new beginnings, new life. To celebrate the new year, we are opening this box. Look how cute they are. They're all pastel-y colors, and you know how I'm a sucker for all things pastel-y. All these colors we have as follows from this side to down. We have Dependence, Innocence, Protection, Curiosity, Attachment, and Strangeness, which is a weird word to put in with all the other words. But if you want to follow me for more adventures, just subscribe and we'll get started. Dun, dun, dun. I have now fully opened it and we're gonna see it together. Dun, 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 dun. It's the same as the background. Look how cute. We have the little post child. I think your name is Innocence. So our first box of the day would be this one. First box of the day. I really want any of them, but I mainly want Innocence and Attachment. So let's get started with box number one. Gotta see what it is. I'm excited to see what the card looks like. So this is what the box looks like. Well, the wrapping to open set figure, but look how cute it is. It's similar to the Hachipupu one we opened. It's like a little drawstring. Let's see what it is. Our first one is, oh, it's a little blue one. Look how cute you are. Aw, what is your name? Your name is Pendant. I love the blue pastel color. There's like a little sad one on top though. I hope you're not sad. Welcome, Innocence, to the family. I'm gonna put you right here. There we go. One down, 5 to go. So we're gonna go with this one over here. Alrighty, box number 2. Oh, I forgot to show you the card. This is the Dependence card. It is like a pastel-y watercolor theme. Okay, box number 2. Also, the back has like DIMOO's character and the logo as well. Let's see what we get. And who's it gonna be? Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, you're a yellow one. You're a little bit happier. The cloud thingy is like happy. Your name is Curiosity. I am so much of a Curiosity person because I was like, Curiosity, what's going on here? Because every time I go to Melbourne, it's always something I'm curious about. Look how cute you are. Aw, you look so happy. I don't know why your head's kind of like thingy, but I fixed it now. And I think these are like different of each character, which is pretty cool. They're gonna be next to Dependence. Box number 3, we're halfway there. Alley-oop, and I forgot to show you the card. And the card is this one. Pastel colors. I think like this whole box set is like a watercolor theme as well. What's number 3 gonna give us? I don't know. Gonna find out together. So let's open them up and hopefully they get something cool. Da, 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 da. Ooh, it's a pink one that I wanted. Let's go. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's so giving me in real life like Sakura thing, because we got like a Sakura color and then like little notes of green in his outfit. The cloud looks like it's content. Your name is Attachment. I just realized like the eyes are like Sakura theme also. Do you guys have like themes in your eyes? Sorta. But this one's very prominent because this one, but there's like little like Sakura things in his eyes. I'm gonna put you here. We have our cardigan, which is this one, if the camera will focus, of Attachment. Everything is gonna be adorable. The words The words that's going to be used the most is adorable and cute, because they are adorable and cute. We're going to box number 4. So we're missing overall innocence, protection, and strangeness. That's the 3 that we're missing currently. Let's see what we're gonna get and see if this is innocence or something else. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, called it. This is innocence. Let's go. The purple is so cute. I'm a sucker for purple things. I love like the hint of dark purple matching with like the purple like light color. So you give me like lilac lavender vibes. He is precious and will protect at all costs. A cinnamon roll in my heart. The card for this character is this one. You're so cute. I love you so much. Alrighty. 2 more to go. We are missing protection and strangeness, I think. Box number 5. I love this bag idea. I hope Pop Mart does this often. Number 5 is the green one. Oh, you're giving me angry vibes because the cloud is angry for some odd reason. You have an attitude. Welcome to strangeness, I think. Yeah, strangeness. Maybe that's why. But it gives me like woodland vibes, like going to the forest vibes. Maybe it's because of the color, but you're so cute. I will adore you either way, even if you're angry at me. I will love you like every other ones that we have behind me. Okay, and last one is either gonna be this guy, which is protection, and the secrets. But this is the card for strangeness. Final box. Here we go. What's the final box gonna be? We're gonna find out if we're gonna get the poster child or the secret. Dun, 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 dun. Gonna open this bag and reveal our final box, which is dun, 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 dun. It is protection. Oh my god, you're like a little cotton candy cloud. But look at this cloud. Look at the cloud. Look at the cloud. It's winking. It's so cute. And then it has like a little like gradient thing going on with every single color there is, I think, from like this. I love the eyes. Oh, it has like a little like eyeshadow like mood going on. It has a little silver thing as well, like the clothes. So cute. And thus we have all of them. There we go. Look how adorable they are. Oh, so cute. That is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoy me unboxing this set. I'll see you guys on my next adventure, whenever that will be. I don't know where life will take me, but hopefully this is a good start to the new year. Bye everyone. Take care. Love you all. See you. Bye.